Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 first things to do with the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Yeah, the first thing I want to show you is about the sidebar, because it's a bit hidden here, but if you swipe in from that place, you will have a nice sidebar and you can manage here your favorite apps. So in case your favorite apps are not here, the default apps, so just tap here on the pen and you have now the opportunity to remove some apps here, like the messages, and you can choose maybe here Instagram if you want. And also, if you want to have it on another position, just hold the app and swipe it up and so on. So a nice tool to have your favorite apps always at one place. Yeah, the next thing I want to show you makes the phone a bit faster, because you have always little animations, and that takes a bit performance and also a bit time. So let me show you here with the gallery app. If I open it, whoop, it zoom out, and if I close it, it zoom in. You see that animation here, and you can remove these animations and your phone will become faster. Let me show you how it works. So just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then we need to go to the point accessibility. It is this one here. And here we will need the point visibility enhancements. And here we will have the point remove animations. So if I enable it, and if I close it now, it is immediately closed without animations and so on. So let me show you it again with the animation. Now I have turned it off, so that means that we have the animation right now. And now it zoom in. You know what I mean? You have seen it. So if you enable remove animations, it will make your phone a bit faster. Yeah, the next thing I want to show you is about cloning apps, because you can have 2 Facebook accounts here on that phone or 2 WhatsApp accounts. So why not? Because you can insert 2 SIM cards. Why not have for each number an own WhatsApp account? Okay, let me show you how you can do that. So scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings, and then go to the point advanced features. And here we will need the point dual messenger. Okay, and here we will have a list of your existing apps on the phone, which app is supported with that feature. So in my case, it would be WhatsApp and Facebook. And if you have the real messenger, also not the Messenger Lite, if you have the real messenger of Facebook, you can clone it as well. So just tap here to clone it. So install the clone then. Disclaimer, yes, we confirm. And this part is also interesting because you can make for your second WhatsApp account and so on an own contact list. But we don't want it. Next. Yeah, we use our regular contacts. Yes, you can change it later as well again if you want. So now we turn on the second WhatsApp account. So let's do the same thing with Facebook. Install, yes. And now we have 2 Facebook accounts and 2 WhatsApp accounts. So let me show you it here on the app drawer. So this is my main WhatsApp account here. And this is my second WhatsApp account. You can recognize it here with the orange corner. So now we have installed also the Facebook, the second Facebook app. Here you can always recognize the second one with the orange corner. So by the way, this is the original Facebook here on my phone, and this is the second one. Okay, and the next part is also interesting for you, because you don't want that someone else who have also access to your phone should not see this second WhatsApp account or second Facebook account, or maybe the main Facebook account, or the Messenger or something like this, or any other apps. You can hide apps as well on this phone. So let me show you how it works. So for that, we have to go back to the home screen, so the desktop. So then we pinch in like this, if we have that view here. And here we have the point, the home screen settings here. So tap on the settings here. So and here we will have the point hide apps. If you go on the point, you can now choose the apps you want to hide. Maybe hide our second WhatsApp account, and maybe the Messenger here, also the Messenger Lite, and yeah, our second WhatsApp account maybe. Okay, then we go on done. Okay, I go back here. So if I now go in the app drawer, my second WhatsApp account is no more visible here at the app drawer. The same thing also with the Messenger Lite I've installed here. It is no more here at the app drawer. Yeah, how to find the second app now? So very simple with the search bar. No? So just go here on the search bar and now enter maybe for the second WhatsApp account. Look for WhatsApp. Okay, here it is already. Yeah? And we have here our second WhatsApp account. The same thing also with the Messenger Lite. And that's also very interesting because it's about the name. You should really know the name about from the app because the Messenger Lite is just named Lite here. So you should really know the name up from the app to see it here again at the search bar. And there it is. Okay. The next thing I want to show you is about our eyes. You know, they are very important in our life to see all the beautiful things. And you can reduce the eye strain because if you're looking on our smartphone too much, I think you know this already, it's not good. And yeah, there's something to reduce the blue light here. And let me show you how you can do that. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and on the second page here we will have the eye comfort shield. And if you enable it, you can see the color of the screen is changing already because it is removing the blue light and made the colors a bit more warm here and so on, and that reduces the eye stress, the eye strain. And if you go here on the written word eye comfort shield, then we have also the opportunity to change the opacity of this blue light filter. And I would recommend to you to make it at maximum as possible. Also, if it's at first very unusual. It is recommended also to use it at latest in night. I would recommend to you to use it also on the day because it helps your eyes as well. But at latest in the night, you should enable it because you will sleep better. And if you say, okay, I just want to have it at night because the different color here is disturbing me, then just go here on details. And now we can set it as scheduled. No? So I would recommend to you if you set it as scheduled from sunset to sunrise, because if you schedule it like this, then it will just turn on if the sun set, and if the sun rises, it will turn off itself. Okay. And we can support that feature also, especially if you're using it at night, also with the dark mode. Also, if you scroll down here, scroll down the second time, and on the second page, we have here the dark mode. So let me remove it first, the blue light filter, that you can see the dark mode better. I have here the dark mode, and the dark mode is making white, so many white stuff turning into black, and that helps us also in the night, because everybody knows if we have a white screen, it hits our eyes a bit, and especially at night, I would recommend to you to open this dark mode. And if you schedule it, as you can schedule it the same way like you did at the blue light filter maybe, so just go on the written word, go here on details, and then go on turn on as scheduled, and set the time from sunset to sunrise, or you can do it also with a custom time if you want. Yeah. The next thing I want to show you, what you would need as well, because the phone is very large here in my hand and I cannot reach everything here with my large hands already. So I cannot reach everything. There's a one-handed mode. What makes it possible if I just swipe down the home button, and then we have a mini screen here, and now I can reach everything and work directly here on the mini screen with that phone. I can navigate everything. I can play the games and so on, everything on that mini screen. That would be possible. And also if I'm left-handed, I have here an arrow which one allows me to change the position. So now if it's on this side, and if I'm left-handed, I'm also now cool with that. And yeah, so a nice tool. And if you want to go back, just tap here on the field and you're back in the regular mode. very nice, but you have to enable this feature. So don't worry, that doesn't work right now. So just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. So then you have to go to the point advanced features. So scroll down to the point advanced features here. And then we will need the point one-handed mode. That has to be enabled. And also the one-handed mode, if you tap on it, you will see an instruction again. You can choose between the gesture mode or the button method, because if you go on the button method, you can take it as well. Then just double tap and you have the home screen. But I would recommend you, as I've shown you, to take the gesture one, because here you have to swipe down the home button. So I think that's better. The next thing I want to show you is about the text size, because you can enlarge it a bit if it's too small for you. So let me show you how you can do that. So just scroll down here, go to the symbol for the settings. Then go here to the point display. And here we will have the point font size and style. And this is the regular style here, and we have here an example. Look at this, and you can enlarge it here easily and also put it on bold, or you can change also the font size to another one, but I would recommend to you to take the default, because you can read it much better. And if you want, you can also zoom basically into the screen like this, so to make everything a bit bigger, also the animations and so on. You can choose here your own style, what is more comfortable for you. And yeah, the next thing I want to show you is about a flashlight, a simple mode of Samsung, what you have also on other phones, and but very nice. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and you know that you have here already the torch or the flashlight on the icon. But if you have, as we have learned, also if we go here on the written word, we can do some stuff here. And what's very nice, we can change the brightness, so we can make it more bright and also less bright. So a nice tool it could help you a bit in some situations to make it more bright. And now we are already at the last point. I want to show you something about the fingerprint sensor here on the side. The power button is the fingerprint sensor, by the way. I think you know this already. And you can scroll down there with your thumb, the shortcuts, and scroll it up also again, just with your thumb on the fingerprint sensor. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. Then scroll down to the point, advanced features. You can see there's many nice stuff. And go then on motions and gestures. And here we will need the point finger sensor gestures. Yes, we want to on it. And that means now if I scroll down here on the fingerprint sensor, I have my shortcuts, and if I scroll it up, they will disappear. So very comfortable, because if I'm having my phone like this, I can easily have a look on my notifications and swipe them also up again. So a nice tool. You should really enable this feature. Yeah, so I think we are at the end. And yeah, I hope I could show you some tips and tricks for your phone. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.